welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna just jump right into today's video and what I'm going to do and what I'm gonna be talking about. So if you see my last vlog, you seen that I got my hair braided in Santo Domingo, but y'all think that's a recent video. That's not really a recent video. That was like almost a month ago when I got these done. So look, it's looking crusty, it's looking dusty, so it's time to get this, time to refresh it. But y'all, I am today years old. Well, not really today years old, but I've seen videos on it where girls refresh their braids, wash their braids, and I'm like, you know, I'm a type of person, braids in a week and a half or leave it in for 2 weeks and I'm done. It's out of my head. I don't really like braids in my hair like that too long, but I have somewhere to go and I didn't really have time to do a last minute style, or I just didn't really feel like it. I'm just stop you there. So I seen a couple of videos where people were interlocking their knotless braids. And I know you're like, interlocking? You trying to lock your hair? No. If you leave it in temporarily, it's not gonna lock your hair. Well, as I seen in the video. So it's a TikTok video I seen where a girl basically refreshed her braids. And I know y'all seen a couple videos on that like me, but I just wanted to share that with you. I wanted to share me doing this on my hair so we both can see how this is going to work, because I need a fresh look. We are going to Disney World for my daughter's birthday and you will see that vlog. But we're going to Disney World and I just needed a look. I need something fresh. So before. So let's hope this works out, guys. So stay with me. So this is the part of the braids that I'm going to do. I'm not going to do the whole head. I was going to, but I figure I'm not going to keep it in that long. So this is how much I'm keeping out. And then I'm just going to do this half of my hair since you can see this more. So yeah, just going to start with this side first. Okay. So I will repeat, guys. This is my first time trying any method of refreshing my braids on my hair. So this is not a tutorial. This is more to show you guys how it will come out. We're both here experimenting. So as you can see, the product that I'm applying my hair is called Shining Jam, and I usually like Shining Jam because it gets rid of the frizz and lays down my edges. So I kind of realized I was applying the product first and then interlocking, and I noticed throughout of me refreshing my braids that I should have interlocked first to tighten up the roots and then apply the product. But like I said, this is trial and error for me. So as of now, you see me applying the product then interlocking the braids. So like I said, trial and error, don't judge. Method of me crocheting the braid in first and then applying the product helped a lot better, so it tightened up the root, versus me applying the product first then crocheting the hair in. It kind of loosened it up a little bit where I had to twist the root more. So I figured this way was a little bit better. Like I said, trial and error. So these are the little clips that I have been using to basically lay it down. I didn't have the regular little pins, the silver pins that I normally see on videos. I didn't think I really needed it because the person's video that I did see when she interlocked it, she didn't really need these. But I guess because it's knotless, I need it. But like I said, this is my first time doing this, y'all. So we'll see. I'm gonna keep on doing it. Okay. This is what I have so far on this side versus this side. So, kind of coming along. So don't be alarmed. Yes, I'm keeping the clips on my head, but not for long. I just wanted to kind of stay on with this scarf as I start doing my daughter's hair. And then when it's time to go to sleep, I'm just going to take the clips out and then leave the scarf on. And then you guys will see the final reveal in the morning. Okay guys, so moment of truth that we've all been waiting for, and me as well. So I had to kind of lay my edges down a little bit more with this. So final reveal. Oh Lord. Oh, okay. So as you've seen in the clips, this is the final results of my hair, and it did not take me as long as I thought it would. It didn't take me long at all. I thought it would take me all day because I really didn't know what I was doing. And when it comes to things like that, it takes me all day. But this didn't take long at all. And I really like just a quick and easy refresher instead of taking it all out and then getting a new style or paying for new braids. So this is quick and easy if you have somewhere to go. 5-minute refresher and your braids are good to go. There are some like loose ones in there, but with that mousse and the jam mixed together and just laying it down overnight, it really helped wonders. So if you need a refresher, you need something quick and don't want to do nothing else to your hair for another week, there you go. Boom. So yes, I'm excited, and I will be taking these out soon because I really don't like braids in my hair that long. But yeah, I do thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share my video. See you.